And soon it's coming to take everything you know. When the monster crawls out of the sea, you're gonna need somebody like me.
Hi, I'm Keir from Sea Ventures, and today we're looking at the Island Rib 7.5 metre.
Better call somebody like me. I was made in the shadows, where the light ain't allowed to go.
So Island Ribs are designed and manufactured in the UK to some of the highest possible standards. It's not just the build quality where they excel, it's their performance and sea keeping. They are incredibly light for a rib, and that means you don't have to have a massively high output engine to get the same performance. This has a 200 horsepower Suzuki, and on a good day will do north of 40 knots. The beauty of it is it's a dry boat. The design of the boat, every element has been meticulously looked at.
And soon it's coming to take everything you know. Yeah. When that monster crawls out of the sea, you're gonna need somebody like me. When your brother's got blood in the streets, you better